Imagine a world where doctors can navigate inside your body using microscopic robots, destroying cancer cells one by one, repairing damaged arteries, and even reversing cellular aging. Sounds like science fiction? Well, prepare yourself for a stunning revelation. This technology isn't just in development. Part of it is already reality. Welcome to a fascinating dive into the universe of medical nanotechnology, where the future of medicine meets the present in ways that will challenge your imagination. Since physicist Richard Feynman delivered his famous lecture, "There's Plenty of Room at the Bottom," in 1959, scientists and researchers have pursued the dream of manipulating matter at atomic and molecular scales. But what does this mean for you and the future of medicine? Imagine having thousands of nanorobots in your body, each thousands of times smaller than a human hair, working tirelessly to maintain your health. This isn't just a theoretical possibility. It's a medical revolution happening right now in laboratories around the world. In the last decade, researchers have developed nanoparticles capable of delivering drugs directly to diseased cells, avoiding side effects in healthy tissues. Hospitals are already using nanometric coatings on surfaces to eliminate antibiotic-resistant bacteria. And this is just the beginning of a radical transformation in how we treat diseases. Let's dive into the impressive numbers. 1 nanometer equals 1/1,000,000th of a meter. To get an idea, if a nanorobot were the size of a marble, a human cell would be the size of a skyscraper. In 2023, Stanford University researchers developed DNA nanorobots capable of carrying and releasing drugs with microscopic precision. These molecular robots are programmed to recognize specific cells and perform predetermined tasks, such as releasing therapeutic substances or signaling the presence of pathogens. An even more surprising breakthrough came from MIT laboratories, where scientists created nanoparticles that can cross the blood-brain barrier, a feat that could revolutionize the treatment of neurological diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. These particles are so precise they can identify and eliminate individual cancer cells without damaging surrounding healthy tissue. Today, nanotechnology is already present in pioneering cancer treatments. Gold nanoparticles are heated by laser to destroy tumors with pinpoint accuracy. American researchers have developed nanoparticles that can detect cancer cells before they form tumors visible in conventional exams. In cardiology, stents coated with nanomaterials dramatically reduce the risk of rejection and thrombosis. Biomedical engineers have created nanosensors that can circulate in the bloodstream, continuously monitoring levels of glucose, cholesterol, and other important health markers. Here's something that will surprise you. There are virus-inspired nanoparticles that can reprogram damaged cells to self-regenerate. In recent experiments, scientists managed to make injured heart tissues regenerate using this technology, something considered impossible until a few years ago. Another fascinating fact: researchers discovered that certain nanomaterials can mimic the natural process of photosynthesis. Imagine nanoparticles in your body that could convert sunlight into energy, supplementing our nutrition in unimaginable ways. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The same technology that can cure diseases also raises important ethical questions. How do we ensure nanorobots won't be hacked or reprogrammed with malicious intent? What are the long-term effects of having microscopic synthetic materials circulating in our bodies? Scientists and bioethics experts work tirelessly to establish safety protocols and ethical guidelines. The World Health Organization has already established a specific committee to regulate and supervise the development of medical nanotechnology. The horizon of medical nanotechnology is truly revolutionary. In the not-too-distant future, we could have body maintenance nanorobots patrolling our circulatory system 24/7, identifying and repairing cellular damage before it becomes serious problems. Ultra-precise drug delivery systems that can cross biological barriers and treat previously incurable conditions. brain-machine interfaces at nanometric scale that could restore vision in blind people or return movement to paralyzed patients. Programmable nanoparticles that can reconfigure themselves to combat new health threats, such as mutant viruses or resistant bacteria. One of nanotechnology's most promising applications is in preventive medicine. Imagine having nanosensors in your body that can detect the first molecular changes indicating disease development. These microscopic devices could alert you and your doctor long before symptoms appear, enabling earlier and more effective interventions. Researchers have already developed prototypes of labs-on-a-chip, nanometric devices capable of performing hundreds of diagnostic tests with a single drop of blood. This technology could democratize access to precision medicine, making complex tests more accessible and less invasive. The integration of nanotechnology and artificial intelligence opens even more extraordinary possibilities. AI-equipped nanorobots could make autonomous decisions based on real-time data, adapting treatments to each patient's specific needs. AI systems are already being trained to predict how different nanoparticles will interact with human cells, dramatically accelerating the development of new treatments and reducing the need for animal testing. Medical nanotechnology isn't just a future possibility. It's an ongoing revolution that's redefining the limits of what's possible in medicine. We're witnessing the birth of an era where diseases once considered untreatable can be cured, where aging could be slowed down, and where each person could have a microscopic army of health guardians circulating in their body. But like all transformative technology, it brings both promises and responsibilities. The future of medical nanotechnology will be shaped not just by scientific advances, but also by our collective choices about how to implement this technology ethically and equitably. What do you think about this microscopic revolution? Can you imagine a future where nanorobots are part of your daily checkup? Leave your opinion in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content about the technology shaping our future. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest discoveries in medical nanotechnology. Remember, the future of medicine is being written now at the nanoscale, and you're witnessing this extraordinary transformation. See you in the next video.